Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Suburban, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone Bluetooth to your interface here so you can take calls, listen to music, all that. And this is just the factory standard device, so it could be different if you have like an aftermarket installed for the radio. But we'll start the vehicle, and then in the meantime make sure your phone's on with your Bluetooth there highlighted, like so. And then you can just press and hold that to get to your Bluetooth menu, which I have open here. And then in the meantime, we'll go up here. You can go to phone. If it's not on this already, you can go to your home option and then click phone. You can also use this to select things. So here we're going to pair device. And then here, your phone, you also want to pair device. And set pin to whatever, something really simple. 4 ones, some have standards of like 1 2 3 4 or all zeros, but here's where we're connecting. Chevy MyLink. Seeing it didn't really matter the pin, so it's just this random number, so we'll hit pair. Yes, now we're connected, so now we can play music, take calls, all that through your interface. And then sometimes you might have issues where you've got too many phones connected, so you might have to delete a phone. So you can do that by just pressing and holding to get to your phone here. Also, if we go back, here we go, cancel, we can toggle between them. So you want to delete that device, I pressed and held it, now it's gone, so now I cleared up a spot for another phone. But otherwise this is still connected here, so we could play music or whatever at this moment. But otherwise I hope this was helpful. And then yeah, sometimes you can voice prompt it too. So from here you can do voice controls. You could also access these voice controls like this, but from voice controls typically say something like add phone, connect phone, disconnect from phone, things like that. But you can also prompt those with these buttons if for some reason your device interface is not cooperative with you. But otherwise, best of luck, and hope you have a great day.